Sir, is it visible?
Yes. Yes, it is visible. Go ahead.
1 minute, sir. Sir, there is a small trouble. Just give me 1 minute.
No issue. Meantime, I welcome Chef Rajshekhar here in this presentation, in this examination session. Rajshekhar sir, welcome here.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Good
everybody.
afternoon, Rajshekhar sir. How are you?
Very fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Very fine. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
I'm having some trouble with my camera, so driving with my
Okay.
mobile.
No problem, sir.
Nice to see you, sir.
Sir, is it visible now?
Yes, it
yes,
is visible.
Yeah, okay. So good afternoon, everyone. So my topic is immunity and nutrition boosting character of traditional and seasonal cuisine of South Andhra Pradesh. It is a case study, and yeah, I'm sorry. So South Andhra Pradesh experiences all the 6 seasons, and as if nature knows what is best for mankind, the seasonal ingredients act against the seasonal illness. So, the traditional eating patterns are based on the seasonal effects on the body constituents, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. For example, during winter, Pitta increases in the body, and hence it is time for foods with sweet, sour, and salty taste as they are considered warm. Hence, wheat, whole grains, dairy, and fatty foods are recommended. And similarly, there are foods that are specific to every season. As the traditional and seasonal food recipes in South Andhra Pradesh are designed keeping in view the seasonal ailments and to provide effective bodily response to those ailments, it is believed that South Andhra Pradesh food recipes have high immunity and nutrition boosting characteristics. So the
Chandana,
objective,
sorry for the
yes,
interruption. The slides aren't moving.
are they moving now?
No.
How about now?
Yeah, yes. We can see it. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Jesse. Okay, so as I was saying, the objective of my project is to ascertain that the traditional and seasonal cuisine of South Andhra Pradesh has immunity and nutritional building character. So all the data I've collected for this study is from the internet. It has been a great source for all the information that I've included in my project report. And I have found some few useful books and ebooks and websites and web pages from which I gathered all the information that is useful for the project. My study focuses on the immunity and nutrition boosting character of the traditional and seasonal cuisine of South Andhra Pradesh. My topic says it. So, to study about the following, an online questionnaire was prepared to ascertain the eating patterns of people in the 6 districts of South Andhra Pradesh, namely Chittur, Nellore, Kadapa, Kurnool, Anantapur, and Prakasam districts. So the data has been collected using a questionnaire on Google Forms. 311 people have responded to the questionnaire through Google Forms. All these people are actually my relatives, my friends, and families of my friends from the respective districts. And the data analysis have been performed using Google spreadsheets and pie charts. So these are the questions. I mean, the age and where are they from have been asked to know what kind of people have responded to my questionnaire. So most of the people who have attended the questionnaire were from Chittur, as most of my relatives are from that district. So all these questions like are you a vegetarian or non-vegetarian, about the consumption of Andhra food, the breakfast they eat, what they consume, etc. So all these questions were based on the eating patterns of the people in the different districts of South Andhra Pradesh. So I even asked about the spices they use regularly at home and the milk products they consume, and about Talimpu Vadiyam. So Talimpu Vadiyam, I got to know that yeah, most of them know about it, but some of them they don't know about it. It is actually a laddu kind of a thing which is not edible, but it is a preserved tadka laddu which is used for the tadka which we call talimpu in South Andhra Pradesh. It is called differently in other districts of Andhra Pradesh, which lie on the the other side of the state. So yeah, again the consumption of all the pulses, legumes, and etc. And I even ask people whether they take supplements like vitamins, minerals, or everything in the form of capsules and tablets. And I even asked about how often they fall sick to know about the health condition. So, according to the analysis of the ingredients used in the cuisine of South Andhra Pradesh, the design of the cuisine and the ingredients used in each of the dishes, it is evident that whoever has designed the traditional and seasonal cuisine of the region has not only ensured appropriate nutrition to the consumers, but also have taken into account the addition of catalysts ingredients for effective absorption of the nutrients into the body. And according to the responses of the survey on consumption patterns in South Andhra Pradesh, it is obvious that more than 75% of the participants consume traditional foods, seasonal fruits and vegetables on a regular basis, in particular foods rich in protein, vitamins, and other essential nutrients with a moderate mix of traditional spices, herbs, and condiments, and hence stay healthy most of the time. It is also observed that more than 60% of the people do not take any supplements at all, and more than 80% of the people very rarely fall sick. Hence, it can be concluded that the traditional and seasonal cuisines of South Andhra Pradesh has immunity and nutrition boosting characters. So, for the further scope of research, a broad and deeper study can be undertaken at every village, town, city, district level to understand the eating patterns of different categories of people, such as the food preference, the class of living, and the area, in order to understand why and how people of certain regions are staying healthy and the others are not. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Lakshmi Chandana. You also organized your data in a very uh, presentable manner, and really it is a topic of your own interest.
Thank you.
Again, the same question for you, like Pujita, how you justify that this topic is futuristic?
So, as I've said, I've known about this region as I've brought up here, and I have been consuming all this food all these years. So, other than some wounds or anything, I have not really fallen